to another Kent State rebuild video. Today we're gonna go at Ohio. Last time we did Northern Illinois. After that we lost to Eastern Michigan. So we're currently like we're currently like 4-1 while Ohio is like 3-3. Green is green. Yeah. Let's kick off and let's see what I can do with mixing. Alright. Go into the 30. Yeah. Now that's like the 34. Alright, time to run with like Weber. Ooh, going for the first down. 10 yards. Second and inches. Yeah. 6 yards. Down at like the 50. Guess I'm gonna run. Another 11 yards. I think I'm down at like the 41. This defense really knows how to run. Mixon! Oh, that could have been something on the highlight reel. 9 yards. Just gonna catch it. Yeah, Dennis! Into the end zone at what I think is the 14-yard line. Alright, time to get a field goal. Oh well. Wingard kicked it, and 7-0. Alright. Tied 7, and that's probably gonna be the score. Ooh. I think I'm down at like the 45. Alright, Zietler thing. 11 yards. 11. That's it for the first. Kent State 7, Ohio 7. Alright. Ooh, Wilcox, you're wide open. Oh my goodness. Aw, dang it. These defenses definitely sure know how to get me. Oh, breaks the tackle. Oh my goodness. Is that going to be a second touchdown? Yes, it is. It's a 45-yarder. To the crib. Currently tied 14-14. I think I need to score pretty soon or else I'm going to be trailing. Whoop-de-doo. Down at like the... I think I'm down at the 23. Goddard. Wilcox. Going for 9 yards. It would have been cool if he went past all of them. Ooh, 1 yard. Second and inches. I'm gonna have to have a laughably long play and Mixon. Oh my goodness. 30, 25, 20, 15, 10. Yep. 5. Oh man. Wilcox, come on. Oof. Only 2 yards. And yeah, Wilcox to the end zone. 21-14 in the first half. Ooh. Oh well. We can only have possession. Ooh, I think he's gonna go. Wilcox. And he's into the end zone. Touchdown, Kent State. 52-yarder. And it's currently like 28-21. I'm in the lead because I always am. Ooh, just running. And the third, Kent State 28, Ohio 21. Ooh, what a catch from Mixon, going out for 15 yards. Ooh, Dennis with 11 yards on the play. Mixon, go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Whoop, 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 whoop. You can't get me. Oh, well. Oh, dang it. Oh, well. Thank goodness they didn't get it. Okay, let's just... Oh. That did not go out. Did not go at all what I was thinking of. Ooh! Zeitler! 10 yards on the play. 4-1. Go. Dang it. Let's see if we can get this field goal. It's up and it's good! 50-yarder. And that's the longest field goal I have ever done. 31-21. End of game. Alright, let's look at the stats. Disappointed. Criticize, whatever. Die. Tough luck. 351 yards for Webster. 22 yards for Zeitler with no touchdowns. Dennis with 79 yards and 2 touchdowns. Mixon, 247 yards, but 0 touchdowns. Wilcox, 78 and 2 touchdowns. Wowie. Alright, Sheckwill, you will get more catching. They decline, whatever. Right, next up, we are going against the one and the only Toledo. Sweet.